How to get Discord in school Chromebook. Now in this video, I'm going to show you couples of ways for you to be able to use or download Discord while using your school Chromebook. Now if you pull up your school Chromebook browser and then go into this three dots and then go into settings, at your left side you should see privacy and security, and simply click that. Now if you already done this specific method by going into third-party cookies, what happens is on your school Chromebook, third-party cookies is actually blocked. So you can go ahead and try it to allow third-party cookies and then refresh the page to see if you can access Discord. If not, then your last resort is to use a proxy website. Now it will usually work 80 to 90% all the time. Create a new tab and type in proxy, and feel free to use any reliable proxy that you have in mind right here. So say for example you would like to have it on proxy. To use a proxy is you must enter the full URL of Discord website, just like adding HTTPS followed by www.discord.com and then hit on go. It will usually work around 80 to 90% of the time.